Hello, everyone. Welcome to the BIM Practice online classroom. Create a 3D model of an office building based on the task requirements and project sheets. The task requirements have been described in detail in Lesson 3.1. In this lesson, we continue to learn how to create doors, windows, floors, and roofs. Let's check out the drawing steps. Step 1. Complete the creation of door M1. Select Door in the Architecture tab of the menu bar and edit the type of door. Load the model library, select Architecture folder, Ordinary Door folder and Floor Spring Door folder in sequence, and select Double Floor Spring Glass Door, copy it and change its name to Aluminum Alloy Floor Spring Door, and select this type. Click the Copy button, change the name to M1, and then edit the material as aluminum alloy and glass in turn. With a width of 1,200 and a height of 2,700. Place door M1 at the corresponding position of the wall and modify the door margin. Then use the mirror command to generate another door. Step 2. Complete the creation of door M2. Set the door M2 and complete the placement according to the same operation steps. Edit the type of door, and select the material as panel with the width of 900 and height of 2,400. Place door M2 at the corresponding position of the wall, adjust the opening direction of the door according to the drawing, and modify the door margin. Step 3. Complete the creation of door M3. Copy the panel door, rename it M3, modify the height to 2,100, place door M3 at the corresponding position of the wall, and modify the door margin. Step 4. Complete the creation of window. Edit the type of window, load the model library, select Architecture folder, Ordinary Window folder and Slider Window folder in sequence, and select Slider Window, copy it and change its name to C1. Set the material of glass, frame and sash. The default sill height is 900, width is 1,500 and height is 1,800. Place window C1 at the corresponding position of the wall and switch to the 3D view after placement. Go back to the F1 plan view, drag select all doors and windows, open the filter, make sure only door and window are checked, select the copy command, paste it to align with the selected level, and copy it to floor F2. Switch to plan view of floor F2, delete door M1, set and place the door with window MC1, and operate it in the same steps. After the creation of door and window, switch to the 3D view. Next, create the floor. Step 1. Set the ground type parameter. Select Floor in the Architecture tab of menu bar, click Building Model and edit the type, copy the floor family and rename it Floor. Edit the structure and set different materials and parameters. Click the Pick Line button to pick up the outer profile of the wall and switch to the 3D view after confirmation. Step 2. Set the floor type parameters. Same as the previous step, after setting the floor type, pick up the wall outer profile and balcony outer profile, and switch to the 3D view after confirmation. If the floor is placed incorrectly, choose the floor model, and then choose to put it on floor F2. Step 3. Set roof type parameters. Select Roof under the Architecture tab of menu bar, find Roof by Footprint in the drop-down list, edit the type, copy the basic roof and rename it Roof. Edit the structure, set the thermal layer material as 490 x 490 insulation layer with a thickness of 35. The substrate material is SBS modified asphalt waterproofing membrane with a thickness of 4. The substrate material is cement mortar with a thickness of 20. Set the structure material as C25 reinforced concrete with a thickness of 100. After the parameter setting, select the Line command, set the offset to 600, select the intersection point of the central grid line of the wall, and then draw the profile of the roof above the balcony, and switch to the 3D view after completion. Step 4. In-place components. Switch to floor plane of F3, click Component and In-place Component, and select the family category as Roof, and name it Reverse Eaves. Select Sweep command, draw the path, select the pick line, and then select the outer profile of floor. Edit the profile, select the east elevation view, draw the rectangle according to the dimensions, and click the checkmark to complete. Complete the creation of floor and roof. In this lesson, we learned how to create the door, window, roof, and in-place component. I hope all of you adhere to the principle of seeking truth from facts, continuously pursue excellence, and improve your skills. That concludes this lesson. Thank you for listening. See you next time.